Hi, hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to loop a video on Capcut PC. But by the way, what is this loop? It's a short video clip that keeps repeating. Looping videos may be options in social media application. So in order for you to repeat your video as simple as you just have to simply copy and paste it. If you want to loop like in the middle of the video, you can split the video in the middle, copy and paste it. So in this way, if you want your videos to be continuous, all you have to do is to copy and paste and copy and paste. So whenever you play that, you will see that the video will keep on playing all over again. Now, here's the thing, if in case that there is something wrong with the audio whenever you try to copy and paste a video right here, for example, obviously it will stop before playing the next video. The best thing to do here if the audio stops is you have to detach your audio from the video to remove the obvious part that you have looped the video. So this is what it looks like. Okay, so this is how you loop, just copy and paste. To detach the audio, you just have to click the video, right click, and then look for detach. Now you have to zoom in. Okay, detach, zoom in and locate at the part that you think the audio stops. And all you have to do is to delete or remove that one. For example, this one right here, obviously it will stop the music and somehow maybe the person who will listen will get annoyed or disturbed. So basically what you're going to do here to delete is you have to zoom in and locate the part, remove the dead part, and then combine, or you have to stick the audio together so that the audio and the video will play continuously without interruptions. I do really hope that this video helped you. If you find this video helpful, please do like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and we hope to see you again in our next video tutorials.